Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your PC runs the Windows 10 build that supports PhoneLink and that you're signed into the same Microsoft account on both devices. Once done, open the PhoneLink app on your PC and on your Android phone open Link to Windows or the companion app. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is active if previously used. This starts the unlinking sequence. You'll perform the first actionable steps from the app interfaces right now. Now you'll remove the connection from both sides. In the PhoneLink app on your PC, go to Settings, then Manage Devices, select the phone and choose Remove or Unlink. Confirm the action. On the phone, open Link to Windows or Settings for companions, locate the paired PC, and tap Remove or Forget. Make sure to also open Windows Settings, right arrow Bluetooth and Devices, and forget the phone if it appears. Doing each step ensures no residual pairing remains and stops. For final cleanup, sign out of your Microsoft account in the PhoneLink app on the PC if you want a complete dissociation. Then restart both PC and phone to clear cached sessions. After reboot, open PhoneLink to confirm no device is listed. If unlinking fails or the phone reappears, clear the app cache on the phone, uninstall and reinstall Link to Windows, or remove the permission from your Microsoft account online. This resolves most stubborn reconnection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.